Okay, so our I minus A will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You minus 0.3, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. So when we subtract, we are going to get this is 0.7, this is minus 0.3, this is minus 0.2, this is minus 0.1, this is 0.8, this is minus 0.3, this is minus 0.2, minus 0.1, and 0.6. That way. So this is the matrix now that we are looking for the inverse.
Yes, okay.
So we say the first thing is to get the minus matrix.
Okay.
Minus matrix. So the minus matrix, let me put it, because you're not writing, let me put it in a good order.
Can I give the numbers?
What will remain?
No, can I give the numbers of minus matrix?
Yes.
How we are going to, yeah. So
yes.
the first one is 0.8, and then minus 0.3.
Yes, good.
0.1 minus 0.6.
Yes, good.
Then the second one is 0.1.
Yes, negative.
Negative 0.1 and negative 0.3. Negative 0.2. Negative 0.6.
Good.
Then the third one is negative 0.1. 0.8. Negative 0.2. 0.1, negative 0.1.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next.
The next one is cross that, and I cross that. So it's a negative 0.3, no, 0.3. Oh, it's negative. It's actually negative. Yes. Yeah, negative 0.3. Negative 0.2 and negative 0.1 and negative 0.6.
Good.
Okay, the second one is okay. Where am I? Okay, there. So negative 0.7.
It's positive.
Or 0.7, negative 0.2. Negative 0.2, negative 0.6.
Okay, good.
Then the other one is 0.7, 0.3. 0.3, yeah, negative, and then negative 0.2, negative 0.1.
Good.
And if we go down, we done. So we start with negative 0.3 and negative 0.2, 0.8, negative 0.3.
Good.
The second one will be, so it's 0.7 and negative 0.2, negative 0.1, and negative 0.3. Then the next one, if we come here, we cross that and we cross that, it's 0.7, negative 0.3, 0.1, and 0.8.
Good. That is very good. Now you can see what we say then. Ukiangalia hiyo ya kwanza hii. Tunaona ndio hiyo imefunga hapo. Alafu hizi zingine ni alternate this, hiyo hii na hii, hiyo hii.
Okay.
Good. So now these ones are determinants. We must now get the determinants. So to calculator we get the determinants. So determinant tulisema we are multiplying the major, we subtract the minor when it's multiplied.
Okay, 0.8 times 0.6 minus 0.3
times
minus 0.1. Yeah?
Yes, yes.
I think I've done something wrong. Sorry. 0.8. 0.6 minus 0.3 times 0.1. 0.51.
I'm getting 0.45. Let me repeat also. 0.8 times 0.6 minus 0.3 times minus 0.1 equals. I'm getting 0.45 again.
Just a minute. Okay. I don't know what's happening. 0.8 times 0.6 minus 0.3 times minus 0.1. Yeah, it's 0.45. Sorry.
0.45.
Yes.
Good. Let's count this other one.
Minus 0.1 times 0.6. Yeah.
Yes.
Minus 0.3 times minus 0.2. Yeah.
Yes. Equals.
I'm getting 0.12.
Good. But negative, eh?
Yeah, negative 0.12.
Yes.
Okay. Then minus 0.1 times minus 0.1. That's why minus, eh?
Yeah, minus.
Minus 0.2 times 0.8. 0.17.
Good. On the next one.
Okay. Minus 0.3 times 0.6 minus 0.2 times minus 0.1. That is 0.2 minus 0.02.
Yes.
Minus 0.2. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then 0.7 times 0.6 minus 0.2 times minus 0.2, 0.38.
Good.
Kegera ndio ke no mwaka hetuke.
I don't know where to carry me.
7 times minus 0.1 minus 0.3 times minus 0.2 is 0.13.
Yes, negative.
Okay, negative. Yeah, I have to remember the negative one. And 0.3. Oh, sorry. Negative 0.3 times negative. Okay, just a minute. Sorry. Negative 0.3 times negative 0.3. What have I done? Sorry. Let me start again. Negative 0.3 times negative 0.3 minus, okay, negative 0.2 times 0.8 equals 0.25.
Good. Yes.
0.7 times negative 0.3 minus 0.2 times minus 0.1 equals 0.23, negative 0.23.
Yes.
And the last one is 0.7 multiplied by 0.8 minus 0 minus 0.3 times minus times minus 1.
Yes, 0.1, 0.1.
Yeah, is 0.26.
I think kuna mahali tumekosea.
Yeah, okay. It's 0.7 times 0.8 minus 0.3 times minus 0.1, 0.53.
Good. No, we are doing a good job.
Yes.
That is now the minus matrix.
Yeah.
Aya, we toy my minus to get to have your hair.
Okay.
What do we do now from there after you get the minus?
Cofactor.
Yeah, good. Cofactor matrix.
Yeah.
Cofactor matrix.
Yes.
Now we know where the two things. That way, in most of these, what to do, The issue is now to remove the negatives. The cofactor is just this minus, but now without the negatives.
Okay.
But if you want to at least explain how the negatives are going, you start with a positive here.
Yeah.
You go alternating. You go alternating. Umekumbuka hiyo?
Yeah, nakumbuka. So I multiply negative by negative, it becomes positive.
Yes.
Positive by positive is positive. Okay, yes. That is fine. How I'm okay.
So we get that 0.45, 0.2, and 0.25. Then corona 0.38. corona 0. They have 0.12. 0.12, 0.38, 0.23. Then add to corona 0.17, 0.13, and 0.53. We are the cofactor. Umari cofactor when them was over toward determinant. Determinant. So determinant here I minus A is to get you pick the first row of the cofactor and the first row of the original matrix. Matrix is whether get a universe,
Okay.
We multiply those corresponding items as we add. So we're going to call it 0.45 times 0.7 plus 0.12 times minus 0.3 plus 0.17 times minus 0.2. The multiplier, now the answer you get, you compare, you take any other row or column, you check whether they're the same. There's a minute.
0.45, 7.
Wanake.
Almost there, Doc. Please, bado.
Hujapata answer?
Nilikuwa nimekosa kalamu yangu.
Oh, okay.
7 times negative 0.2 equals plus 0.034 plus negative 0.034. 0.317.
I mean, I have a different one.
Because it's 0.45, yeah?
Yes.
Let me just do the brackets, okay? 0.45 times 0.7.
Yes.
Close bracket. Add 0.12.
Open the brackets first.
Open the brackets first. No, bracket.
Brackets need to see the total when they kiss a mondo.
Go digana nashu, nyabe digana nashu.
Nona ogekira read the total bracket is you worry. Ugiruta odiwekete ogwo side isi igwata. Akireta yonyene ni kirahira. Okay. Ogekira bracket hamwe uriganiro ni hali haki. That is a different instruction.
Okay. So it's 0.45 times 0.7 plus 0.12 times negative 0.3 plus 0.17 times negative 0.2.
Yes.
I'm getting 0.245.
Good. Yes. 0.245.
0.245. Okay.
Brackets, you must be very careful, Nashio. You must be very careful. So 0.245.
Okay.
You read with inverse. Adohanda work to be indicated I minus A inverse. It is 1 out of the determinant times adjoint matrix. To create adjoint italimwe hado hapo mea dekaika soke to be configured. Is that okay? Am I confused?
That is fine.
That's fine, eh? Okay.
So let me get it right. Adjoint columns na rows.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, but it's okay. So now this becomes 1 out of 0.245.
Yes.
You have to join it to us a jamia in a cofactor.
Cofactor.
Neutral transpose.
Yeah.
Either to gain adjoint.
Okay.
So you took me na 0.45. We could call to gain a key.
0.18.
12 is 18. Sorry, it's 12.
Oh, it's 12. Okay, 0.17.
And 0.17. 0.2. 0.38. 0.13. Then 0.25. 0.23 and 0.53.
No, 23. And that row, 23, 0.25, 0.23.
Oh, 23 upper. 0.25, 0.23, 0.53. Good. You do have you talk, you got to queue stop to output. Let me make carry go to that is no numbers. Okay, you are able to read the total output. Total output. X. We can still remind ourselves the formula. It is I minus A inverse multiplied by Y.
Okay.
So this will be 1 out of 0.245. 0.45, 0.12, 0.17. 0.2, 0.38, 0.13, 0.25, 0.23, 0.53. Multiply now by our matrix Y. Y ni notokuviete ina 50, 30, 60. 50,
Okay.
30, 60.
Yeah.
Haya, hebu multiply unipatie jibu.
Okay.
Kwanza.
5 times 50 plus 0.2 times 30 plus 25 times 60. Is the first one 43.5?
Yes. Now divide by.
Oh, okay. Then you
0.245.
divide by. Okay.
You get
177. 177. Yes. The second row irajena ke 0.12.
0.12.
You press answer niko heta na hatena. When I press answer, it becomes something different.
They will depend on what you have put.
Oh, I think I've made a mistake. Are you getting 10 point? I have made a mistake. Sorry.
1.2.
I think 0.12 times 50 plus 0.38 times 30 plus 0.23 times 60. I get 31.2.
Yes.
Divided by 0.245. I get 127.347.
Okay, then yo ingine
0.17 times 50 plus 0.13 times 30 plus 0.53 times 60 equals 44.2 divided by 0.245, which is equals to 180.408.
good.
Okay.
So this one on a matigo sector go, so you just say this sector 1
Wow. Okay. Thank you.
Good. Karibu. Leo input na output na tuge wakileta swali yuko sawa.
Niko sawa hiyo. Ndĩrenda twĩke kĩũria rĩu kĩmwe kĩa Markov.
hena handout na Markov. Yani to syndicate assignment yani to 18th of May 2022.
Okay.
Kiuria kia mbere kiretwo Hope Hospital no akiona.
Kiuria kia Hope Hospital. I'm okay with that one. Keu ne drena kiria. Let me see which one we do. What about the second one?
Second one hena kido itana menyora krathi au
Keu kia university.
Yeah, second one. Three is an input output.
There's a question paper that at the top is written Markov chains revision questions.
Or how we identify the question 3?
Okay, let's do that one.
Question 3, kina wrong run. It has wrong run.
Okay.
Yeah.
I read this one.
Which one?
You know, a market survey.
Yeah, market survey. Okay. It has a wrong run. I wanted us to do something with wrong run.
Okay.
You may identify your question 1, question 3, question 4. At least 2. But now we can only do your motor question 3. Let's do that one.
That's fine.
So we are told the market survey is made on 3 brands of breakfast foods, X, Y, and Z. Every time the customer purchases a new package, she may buy the same brand or switch to another brand. The following estimates are obtained. So we are given that at this time, it is estimated that 10% of the people buy brand X, 35, Y, and 55 Z. What will be the distribution of customers? What will be the distribution of customers in 2 periods rate? Kiuneta kiratu eka kirathi. To multiply maita meri.
Oh, okay.
You can wait sawana to do this straight to the wrong run.
Tareke hani ni dore ore tueka terere. So I multiply. I have a career. I'll have a 1 by 3 matrix with 35.35, 0.55.
No, 0.1, 0.35, 0.55.
Yeah, 0.1, 0.35, 0.55 multiplied by this matrix. Yeah. Then I get that as the first answer.
Yes.
Then I take the first answer and multiply it again by this again.
Yes.
So 2 periods later, that is what I'll get.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is fine.
That is fine.
Okay. So let's now do the wrong run. So the wrong run is argued like this. So let the wrong run shares. B, small x to represent capital X, small y to represent capital Y, small z to represent capital Z, where X plus Y plus Z is equals to 1, and then Z is equals to 1 minus X minus Y. You reduce the workload.
Okay.
Okay. Then we will have X here, Y, 1 minus X minus Y, that way. you come and multiply by the transition matrix. So the transition matrix is 0.6, 0.3, and 0.4. 0.1, 0.4, 0.1, 0.3, 0.3, 0.5 is equals to x, y, 1 minus x minus y. Then we multiply this times this way, so that we get 0.6x plus 0.3y plus 0.4 minus 0.4x minus 0.4y. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine.
Right. So we put items together to get 0.6x minus 0.4x minus 1x plus 0.3y minus 0.4y is equals to minus 0.4. So niambie hii minus, or rather 0.6 minus 0.4 minus 1.
0.6 minus 0.4 is 0.8x.
Okay, 0.8x, which is negative. Eh?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Then 0.3 minus 0.4, that should also be minus 0.1y is equals to minus 0.4. That is equation number 1. That's fine. Eh?
Just a minute, just a minute. 1x plus 0.3y minus 0.4 y equals to minus 0.4. Okay, and Danita.
Okay. You need to multiply, no? No. The first, this row and the second column.
Oh, okay.
So that you have 0.1x plus 0.4y plus 0.1 minus 0.1x minus 0.1y is equals to y. So you put items together, you get 0.1x minus 0.1x again, plus 0.4y minus 0.1y minus 1y is minus 0.1. Do we know the go here?
Okay.
This is
0 minus 0.
0.1.
So it's 0.
So it is 0x. So it's 0x.
Yeah, 0, yeah. X.
Plus now 0.4 minus 0.1 minus 1.
Minus 0.7.
It is now minus 0.7y is equals to minus 0.1. And this one you call it equation number 2.
So total 0, it's basically minus 0.7y equals
Yes.
minus 0.1, and we can solve for y.
Yes, we can solve for y as y is equals to minus 0.1 divided by minus 0.7.
Okay.
We can work with 2 decimals.
Equals minus 0.143. Oh, 143. Yeah,
143. So it will be positive because both of them are negatives. Eh?
Oh yeah, they're both negatives. Okay, it will be positive. Okay. Why was that?
We are to get minus 0.8 minus 0.1 times 0.143 should be equal to minus 0.4. No, this is minus 0.8x. So the actual minus 0.8x this side is equal to minus 0.4 plus 0.1 times 0.143. You don't know, so we don't know why 0.8 to 1x Nikki.
So it is 0.1 times 0.143 is equals to 0.0143 minus 0.4 plus, okay, minus 0.4 plus 0.0143 equals to 0.3857 divided by 0.8. Because so x, are you getting minus 0.482?
Let me confirm minus 0.4 plus 0.1 times 0.143 divided by minus 0.8. 0.48.
Yeah.
0.4822.
Yeah, 0.482.
82, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So thus Z should be 1 minus 0.143 minus 0.482. So 1 minus 0.143 minus 0.482.
Was this 0.482 a minus number, Mwalimu?
No, it is positive here.
It is positive.
Yes.
Sorry. I had not done minus. I had not done minus 0.4. I had done it as positive 0.4. Okay. Minus 0.4.
Plus.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine, Mwalimu. I'm okay.
Okay, good. So now Z will be what?
Okay. Point 375.
Good. 0.375. So those are the long run shares. Tulikuwa tumeulizwa what will be the distribution of customers. So yeah, we can either leave it that way or we can come and say hence X will be 48.2%, Y will be 14.3%, and Z will be 37.5%.
Okay. Okay.
Good. Like well done. Question 1, hiyo umesema uko sawa. Question 2.
Question 1 gani? Mwalimu, question 1 gani?
Oh, ile ilikuwa ya Hope Hospital.
Hope Hospital, hiyo ilikuwa ya assignment. Sasa tulirudi kwa ile ingine ya Markov chains.
Oh, okay.
Tulirudi kwa questionnaire ya Markov chain.
Yes. Sasa question 3.
Yeah, we've answered question 3.
So I think you should be okay, not unless you have any other concern.
Well, I think I'm okay. Hey, thank you so much.
Karibu sana.
Hey, how much is my bill?
It's as we had agreed, just 2,000 more.
Okay. But I really appreciate. I don't know where I would be right now.
Karibu sana, hata mimi nashukuru.
So, would you want to start private tuitions? I don't understand your kuradi. You're not allowed as such.
I can do it. We can make a plan. We can make arrangements.
So the exams are the last week of July. And I know I can organize for you a small class.
Sure, I can appreciate.
Yeah, and I know, people will at that same rate. And then we see how we can have just a few revision classes. Yeah. Ninweroka George Helen.
George Helen.
Okay. It has come through.
I left the phone in the office. I will see it.
Okay, I really appreciate. You're going for another funeral tomorrow?
Yes. Ukiwa uko involved na mambo ya uchungaji.
Oh.
Those are some of the things that they are frequent.
Where do you minister?
I do it in Pefadongo.
Oh, Pefadongo. Okay, fine. Okay.
Not in drag to come Jeff you.
Hey.
But I'm in the process.
In the process. Okay, we thank God. Yeah, I fellowship at Faith Evangelistic Ministry. KIMANI.
Oh, that's good. Karen.
Hey, Karen.
Yeah, I like the new Mwari to Magina to Honoko with the year 2000.
Yes.
She really molded us in matters faith.
Yeah.
That's good.
So I think now I can attempt my cut and I'll pass my cut.
Yes. Now you have confidence.
I have confidence, but an exam is coming, so we'll see. What days are you normally free so that or what days would you recommend?
Can early morning work?
Yes, very well.
From as early as 6 to 8.
Okay.
That is a little bit flexible compared with the evenings.
Yeah.
The evenings are a bit tight. Okay. Although if this one does not work, we can still work with the evenings of 4 to 6.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Yeah, then I can tell you so that instead of rushing the way I'm rushing now just before an exam, I have at least a class or two in a week. Yeah. Yeah, that can be beneficial. That can be beneficial. Yeah. Just send me the course outline. Yes. So that I'm able to see the extent of the coverage that is required. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. I really appreciate it. Karibu sana. Have a good night and great success in your exam, in your cards. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Bye.